ESL Speak English Fluently. How to use the Synchronized Reading method. Hello, I'm David James. Let me explain how you can use Synchronized Reading to greatly improve your English speaking fluency. First, a little background. The brain has an amazing tendency to create and connect patterns. Stare at a cloud in the sky and soon you may start to see the shape of something familiar. The mind is trying to make something formless relate to something recognizable. This natural synchronizing tendency of the brain can be utilized when learning a language. One method used by many English teachers is echo reading. A teacher will read a phrase or a sentence, and then the student will repeat, following along with the text. This certainly helps the student become familiar with vocabulary, correct pronunciation, and voice inflection, which assists greatly with developing fluency. However, there's a further step which may be even more beneficial than echo reading. It's called synchronized reading. It's very useful for young students and adults. What is it? The student follows along and reads the text out loud at the same time as the teacher. The teacher's voice, of course, needs to be of sufficient volume so the student can hear the teacher's voice comfortably above their own. What happens through this synchronized reading? The natural pattern-seeking mechanism of the brain now tries to match the student's voice and pronunciation with the teacher's reading. After a few of these exercises, students actually self-adjust their pronunciation and fluency, so harmony is achieved with the teacher. For synchronized reading to have the maximum effect, it needs to be done frequently in short spells. A 5 to 10 minute synchronized reading session done regularly will yield dramatic results. Persistence and perseverance are keys to success. At first it may seem a little awkward, but soon you'll get used to reading in tune with the teacher under the shadow of the teacher's voice. Soon your self-confidence will grow and you'll be able to read with much more certainty, which will then filter through to speaking English fluently in conversation. So, if you want to dramatically improve your English speaking fluency, simply work in harmony with the natural tendency of the human brain to form patterns and synchronize. In summary, synchronized reading will improve your pronunciation and especially your fluency as you learn to read word groups and sound more like a native speaker. Repeat the exercises in this playlist again and again and see a major improvement in fluency when you speak English. Go to the next video in this playlist and try your first exercise in synchronized reading. Has this video helped you? Hit like now and continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button now, click the bell icon and choose all to be notified when there are new videos. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.